Let's learn the names of common birds from A to Z. A is for albatross. It glides over the ocean with very long wings. A is also for antbird. It follows ants on the forest floor. B is for bluebird. It loves to sing in open fields. B is also for blackbird. It has shiny black feathers. C is for crow. Clever and curious. It remembers faces. C is also for canary. Bright and cheerful, it loves to sing sweet songs. D is for duck. Ducks love water and have webbed feet. D is also for dove, a symbol of peace, soft and gentle. E is for eagle, big, strong, and fast. E is also, or emu, a tall bird that can't fly, just like an ostrich. E is also for egret, graceful and white. It walks carefully through the water to find food. F is for flamingo. It stands on one leg to rest. F is also for finch, tiny birds with tiny voices. G is for goose. Gooses travel in groups called flocks. G is also for gull. Gulls love beaches and snacks. H is for hen. She lays eggs in cozy nests. H is also for hummingbird. It beats its wings super fast like a blur. I is for ibis. It has a long, curved beak for scooping food. J is for jay. It loves shiny things. J is for jungle fowl. It wakes farms every morning. K is for kiwi, a fluffy bird from New Zealand. K is also for kite, a bird of prey with keen eyesight. K is also for kingfisher, bright and quick. It dives like a flash to catch fish. L is for lark. It sings early in the morning. L is for loon. Hear it echo across lakes. M is for magpie. Smart birds that love to chatter. M is also for mallard, a common duck with a green head. N is for nightingale, famous for its sweet songs at night. N is also for nene, a goose from Hawaii. O is for ostrich, the biggest bird on earth. It runs super fast instead of flying. O is also for owl. It sees in the dark with big eyes. O is also for osprey. It catches fish with sharp talons. P is for parrot. Parrots can learn to talk. P is also for pigeon. They live happily in big cities. P is also for peacock. It shows off a giant colorful tail. Q is for quail. Small, shy birds with cute head feathers. Q is also for Quaker parrot. Bright green feathers and friendly voices. R is for robin. It loves worms and has an orange belly. R is also for raven. Wake up call champion. S is for swan. Long neck, calm and beautiful. S is also for sparrow. Tiny brown birds you see everywhere. T is for turkey. It gobbles proudly. T is also for toucan. Big beak, bright colors. U. U is for umbrella bird. It has funny feather hair like an umbrella. U is also for upland goose. In grassy places. V. V is for vulture. It helps keep nature clean by eating leftovers. V is for vireo, a tiny songbird in green leaves. W. W is for woodpecker. Tap, tap, tap on trees all day. W is also for warbler, tiny birds that never stop singing. X. X is for Xanthus's hummingbird. It sips sweet flower nectar. Y. Y is for yellow wagtail. It wags its tail while walking. Y is also for yellowhammer, a bright yellow countryside bird. Z. Z is for zebra finch. It has stripes like a zebra. Wow, there are so many wonderful birds in our world. Next time you go outside, listen closely. There might be a bird singing just for you. See you next time.
Thanks for watching A to Z Learning. Like and subscribe.